welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin updating. Next is to check for Mistfall Hunter update. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with all kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, press Xbox symbol on a controller. Now move down to profile and system. Choose settings, system, console info. Then select reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps option, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if it's working. Next is to reinstall Mistfall Hunter game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps. Select see all option. Here select Mistfall Hunter, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Mistfall Hunter official website and download the game. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.